Today you're going to learn to make a delicious variation of traditional pasta Alfredo. Let's cook! Hello friends, hope you're having a marvelous day. I'm Carla Montfort. Welcome to my cooking atelier. Here I'll be teaching you simple and delicious recipes as well as many tips and techniques that will help you love and enjoy the art of cooking. I love this recipe because you will learn to make not only the traditional creamy and luscious Alfredo sauce, but we're going to give it a simple and amazingly tasty twist using shrimp and smoky chipotle chilies. If you would like to keep learning all these amazing recipes and easy techniques, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. These are the ingredients that we're going to need. Let's start preparing the shrimp. I've already peeled and cleaned them, but I left these to show you how to do it. When ready, we season them with a bit of salt and pepper. Let's set our pan on medium heat and add a little drizzle of olive or vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, we'll add the shrimp and let them cook for a couple of minutes. If the shrimp have changed color on both sides, it means they are cooked. Take them out and set them on the side. Now that we have our shrimp ready, we'll continue with the pasta. Let's prepare a pasta pot with sufficient water and let it boil. Before we cook the pasta, add a bit of salt and a drizzle of olive oil to the boiling water. This will make the pasta taste better and avoid sticking together. Add the pasta, integrate everything and let it cook for approximately 10 minutes. But check the cooking instructions of the brand you are using. While the pasta is cooking, we'll make the Chipotle Alfredo sauce. If you want to make the traditional sauce, just omit the Chipotle chili. It will still taste amazing. In a medium pot, add the butter, and the heavy whipping cream. When the butter is melted, we continue with the nutmeg and cornstarch or flour. Mix the ingredients. Next, we'll be adding the Chile Chipotle and Parmesan cheese. Continue to whisk everything together until you get a creamy consistency. A very important cooking rule is to taste the food during the process, especially before you start seasoning it. Add salt, pepper, or whatever you're using in small amounts until it's to your tasting. For example, we use Parmesan cheese here, and Parmesan is very salty, so we won't need probably a lot of salt. Let's see. Maybe just a pinch of salt. Perfect, our sauce is ready. Now let's see if our pasta is ready. It needs to be slightly soft when you bite it. It's ready. Before we strain the pasta, I'll give you a cooking tip. Always reserve a little bit of pasta water. It contains starch, which will help your sauce stick to the pasta. Now let's combine the sauce with the pasta. Add the shrimp and finish with the parsley or basil. Mix it all up. Finally, let's serve. My God, this looks amazing. Let's taste. Delicious. Super creamy, and the slight smokiness of the chipotle and the crispiness of the shrimp makes this variation perfect. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. It will be a pleasure to look at them. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you next class. Bye.